Because it's censored. It's like a censoring. See? We can censor you. It's on the camera now and it's going. Why are you playing around with that camera? Hey, it's following Daddy. It's a robot.
Go that way. This way.
Why is it following me?
Because it's a robot. It's following you. It can censor you. Yeah. See? Honey, I'm gonna start. They're playing around with my robot camera holder. You see? Yeah. Oh, detecting you now.
See?
Right. Okay.
I
Okay,
think that-
follow mommy now. Come here. Honey, you need to come back here. So you can, my robot can come over here. Alright. It's me now. Come on. Follow mama here. You have to stay here. Stay here. This way. Don't move. See my robot. We are going, not we, me. I am going to open my present, Christmas present. Look at this, guys. So many presents. Oi, don't go anywhere, alright? You just need to listen to your mommy. Dad, my robot holder or my camera holder is going around. You stay here. We're gonna read. Right. Let's read the card first. It's from Marie. Right? From my friend. My lovely friend. Alright? Spela family. Hope your Christmas is filled with lot of extra merry, jolly, enjoy. Merry Christmas, Marie and Alan. Alright, thank you, Lovey. Thank you for this lovely, lovely card. Here.
Isn't it like me a card?
You know, guys.
I'll give you.
All this present that
No,
you see
a
on the
card.
table.
Yeah,
Come
that
on,
one.
come here. Follow me here. See this. Here.
Oh, got that.
That. Onto here. Right?
That's a
Okay.
Mm.
So my robot is really listening to me. Thank you very much, my robot.
Good, right?
Now, that's all. That's all mine. Right?
Especially in, but
Daming to say, ang daming nagmamahal kay Mami, ano? Labas at loob ng Pilipinas. Daming nagmamahal pa, no? Alright, so this is from my family, from my brother. But let's go to my lovely friend, Marie first. What's her present to us? This is for me. I give the present already, Lovely. I already give to Felix and Marlon.
Thank
Marlon,
you.
come on and see. Thank you here. So Auntie
I'm
Marie is gonna
eating.
watch this one.
Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie. And Felix. Thank you, Auntie. Right, so this is for me. Pretty Mommy, Pretty Pam. Merry Christmas. Alan and Marie. Thank you, Alan.
Am I pretty bad?
no.
Thank you for your generosity. Lovey, you are so sweet. Very truthful. Thank you. Lots of present for me and for my family. Now, let's check. Wow, nice and sweet. And I know I like white. And she give me white blouse. Nice, isn't it, guys? Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mwah. That's one present. Alright, that's from my Lovey Marie. And this is again, Pretty Mommy and family. Merry Christmas. Alan and Marie. That, for us. This is for the family. Ah, last. That. photo here. This is so beautiful with flower. Oh, very pretty. Lovey, very pretty. Thank you so much. So sweet. Nice. Look at this, guys. So beautiful. Alright. Put that down because otherwise I have no more space for my face. I cannot see my face now if I cover my robot. Hi, robot. Are you still there with me? You're not moving, huh? Dad,
I know.
they are also the same.
Yay!
So four glasses already. This
Okay.
is from Marie. My lovey from my lovey Marie. That's for us. And six beautiful glasses for cocktail glasses. Alright guys, so super pretty. Very flowery, flowers. She knows that I love flowers. Now she gave me flowers. Flowers. I like it. And let's go for another friend of mine.
Me.
Auntie Elby. Ate. So sweet. We have wine. That's for us. Red wine. Which is I like red wine. So we have red wine from Auntie Elby. Thank you. Dad, red wine from Ate.
Oh, yeah, super.
And wow, Prosecco, Rosé. Thank you, Ate. You're so generous, so sweet. Thank you. You're gonna make me drunk. Malalasing ako nito, ha. Tapos magdidisi na naman ako nito. Kailangan hinay-hinay. Bawal super. Super dami. Now, right, Ate Elby, thank you so much. Oh, tinan mo, mayroon pa. Oh, egg cooker. Aba, ang sweet talaga ni Ate, mayroon pa. Oh. Thank you, Ate, for the egg cooker. Oh, mayroon na akong pagluto ng itlog. Oh, di ba, boiled egg. Dad, for boiled egg.
Wait, send that.
Oh, really?
Check it out.
So beautiful. That's guys, egg cooker. Oh.
Check it out.
Egg cooker. That's for
Oh!
from Ate. It's
Hey,
cool.
cooker.
And lovely, of course, lovely bag. Oh, thank you. And ang sweet naman ni Ate. Mayroong pang love yung pangbalot niya. Oy, stay here. My robot, don't go anywhere. I'm here. I'm not moving around too far away. Come on, don't move around too much. Right? Don't follow everywhere. Just follow your mama here. Now, let's check this. Ah, talaga naman si Ate. So sweet. Ate, thank you. You know that. Oh, I have another electric diffuser. Aba, sweet naman. Dami ko na yata naipon na diffuser, gaya. Talagang pang spa. Alright. So, I can use this to my own spa. Very beautiful. Ate, thank you so much. Mwah! Love you, Lovey, and Ate, love you. Thank you. So sweet. Now, let's go to before this one. So, that's last. This present is from my nephew. Pamangking ko, tsaka kay Lynn. Pamangking ko, tsaka kay Charles. Nunoy, thank you, Lynn. And kay Calvi, thank you. Alright. Merry Christmas, Tita. Thank you for your, what is this? Endless love and for always being there for us. Sweet naman. Wala akong glasses, kailangan kong pikit-pikit, ano. We're truly so blessed and grateful to have you in our lives. Oh, how so sweet. Oh, that's my heart. Right. Love always. Lynn, Charles, and Calvi. Thank you guys. Mwah! Thank you mga pamangkin ko. Ano kaya ang nasa loob niya? Wow! Ano yung nasa loob? Paborito ko daw. Wow! So sweet na yan. Ang ganda ng kulay. Wow! So colorful. Oh God. So colorful. What is this? Oh God. Daming raffle, guys. Lots of ruffles. Alright, put that down. Let's check. What is this? Is that clothes? Is that trousers? Is that, oh, it's clothes. Oh my gulay. Like, ang haba niya, guys. Ang haba niya, ang ganda. Too sweet. Thank you. Thank you mga pamangking ko. Bibi ng Lola. Thank you. Ang ganda. Love ni Lola. Mwah, mwah. Love you. Ganda naman. Ano ba yan? Ang ganda ng dress. Super ganda ng dress. I love it. Alam nyo naman, masyado akong makadress. Alright. Yung galing naman sa aking brother at saka sa aking sister-in-law. Alright. Sister-in-law, diba? They are. Ay, ang ganda naman. Luna and my brother Pip. Thank you sa present. Ang cute naman. Anong lalagay ko dito sa bag na to? Ah, pang carry. Para hindi na ako magkikarry ng heavy. Galing naman. Ganda naman. Meron pa siyang ano. Ay, ano ba yun? Paano ba yung gamitin? Ano ba yan? Ano ba? Pang picnic. Pang picnic bag, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, thank you. Ang sweet naman. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Mwah, mwah. Love you. Alright. Mayroon pa sa loob, ha? Akala mo wala na? You think there's no more? Wow! Diba? Wow! Pink na pink talaga. Makulay talaga ang gusto ni Mami, ano? Kaya lahat makulay. Ayan, oh. Oh, yeah. Ganda. Oh, ganda. Thank you, guys. Ang ganda naman ng mga present. Nakakatuwa naman. Talaga naman. Ang daming nagmamahal. Tapos, itabi natin yan muna. Let's go to the next. So, ito naman sa pamangking ko. Kelly! Thank you, Kelly! Para sa exchange gift. Ano kaya na exchange gift namin? Merry Christmas to Tita Pame from Kelly. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Kelly. Thank you. And ang ingay ng background ko, di ba? Kwento ng kwento yung aking anak. Ano kaya yung sinasabi niya? Oh, asawa ko din. Ano? Mga maingay yung background ko. Okay, so what is in that? Discovery set. Oh! Candle siguro to love. Siguro guys, candle to no. I-check. Ang bango niya. Guys, ang bango-bango niya. Ooh! Box pa lang, ang bango na. Kile ah. Alam mo talaga na mahilig ako sa mga ganyan ano. Ay, ang galing naman. Ang dami niya guys oh. Ang dami niyang kulay. Very colorful oh. Candle siya. Tapos, ano siya. Smells so good. Talaga. Mai-inlove ka. Pwedeng perfume. It's like perfume, guys. Oh, so good. So, different ang color, different ang smell, of course. Woo! Candle, oh. Nice. Like a coconutty smell. Smell delicious. Thank you, Kelly. Ang pamangking kong sexy at maganda. Thank you. Alright, let's go to the next box. And put this down. Talagang nag-prepare yung family ko talaga ng madaming regalo. O, nagtanda pa ng mga pagkabalot, no? O, to Tita Pame, from Chile again. Isim lang ang box niya. So, another probably perfume smell. Go. Check that. Wow! Another smell for the home. Candles again with for room. Magagamit mo siya sa room of perfume. Like that. Look at that. Very nice. I'm sure really good smell again. I can put it in my bedroom. Alright, guys. Follow me here. Right. That's good, isn't it? So, this is from my man. That's from my man. Alright. Let's see what is this. Kung ano yung regalo niya. Bukod dun sa roses. Pinigyan niya ako ng small bouquet. Diba? Nakaalala, no? Ang tagal ng panahon, siguro 2 years. Hindi nagbigay ng bouquet, ano? So, nakaalala siya. What is that? Share your moment in a few easy steps. Is that telephone? What is it? Frame. Photo frame. Ang regalo niya sa akin. Photo frame. Guys, ang regalo ng asawa ko. Diba? Ang mahal niya, guys. Yan ang pagmamahal niya sa akin. Photo frame. Ganda. Diba? So, for...
Did you see it?
Yeah, that's photo frame for daddy.
It's
from daddy.
electric.
Huh?
It's electric.
Is it electric?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Electronic.
Electronic. Oh, that's beautiful then, guys. So I can like put all my photo. Then the
I think
photo is
so.
like,
Can I see?
yeah. My son's gonna open it.
No,
Okay.
I won't.
Yeah, he's gonna open the box for me. Okay. So anyway, regalo ko sa sarili ko, gift for myself.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Also
You
in
download
the
the
Wi-Fi.
You download the app and then you can upload photo and it will go on the frame.
Oh yeah. So then I can just put like this. Is take my memory thing to the telephone, or just telephone, or
Just telephone or...
so I connect the telephone and I can go to that.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you use your Wi-Fi to
Wi-Fi.
connect that to this one.
All right. 10,000 photo. Perfect.
A lot of photo you can put in there.
Yay! That's very good, guy. Yay!
It's
A digital photo frame with a Bluetooth. Isn't it unique? Thank you, Dad. Thank you for this. Mwah. Lots of love. Alright, now, so yung regalo ko sa sarili ko, Chanel. Chanel. Tingnan natin ang laman ng Chanel ko, no? Let's see what's inside of my box. Surprise ko muna kayo, guys. Surprise! Woo! Ang ganda po ng balot niya, guys. Oh, very nice. The gift wrapping. Talagang nirap pa sa akin. Talaga yan ang aking sealer. Look at that. Ilapit natin, guys, para makita nyo yung wrap. Yung gift wrapping, di ba? Ang ganda. Very nice, beautiful gift wrapping. Alright, let's check what is inside, guys. Follow me. That's good. Good girl. Oh, tapos binigyan niya pa ako ng I can put into my bag, of course. Look at that. Binigyan niya pa ako ng ilalagay ko daw sa bag ko yan. So, I can put that Chanel in my bag. Beautiful, isn't it? Sweet. Okay, let's open. Tcharam! A perfumey body shimmer. Oh, di ba? Para mag-blinky-blinky yung aking skin. So, para matagal ang smell sa katawan ng perfume. So, yung perfume na Chanel, pag ginamit mo siya na nilagyan mo rin siya ng body shimmer, magtatagal yung smell niya. More than 24 hours. Smell Chanel kapatid. Wow, di ba? Wow na wow. Alright. My favorite perfume? Chanel. And that's my perfume. Small lang muna kasi kabibili ko pa lang. So, balik pangalawa, pangatlo ng bili. So, tama na muna. Diba? Budget pag may time. Alright. So, put that back just now to my Chanel box. That's my perfume in Body Shimmer. And Kili, ang ganda ng regalo mo. Thank you so much. At ikaw din, Luna, ang ganda ng regalo niyo, Ninoy. Thank you. At mga pamangking ko, Lynn and Charles, ang ganda ng dress. Thank you. At, tchan-tcharan! A little bit big present. There you go. Tcharan! My Louis. Hindi ako madalas bumibili ng guys, ng mga branded kasi napakamahal, di ba? So, sometime lang kasi I work hard. So, I work hard. Pag work hard ko, mayroon akong nakamit. Mayroon akong nabili para sa sarili ko. At, binigyan din ako ng konting biyaya sa aking asawa, di ba? From my mom. Nagbigay din siya ng konti. So, binigay niya, ginamit ko together para share kami. O, diba? Konting share niya. Hindi niya lahat nabili yan dahil nakamahal. Tama na yun. May bahay naman. Alright, nakabalot pa talaga. There you go. Ito yung present ko galing sa aking asawa at saka sa akin. Nag-share kami together. Tingnan natin ang laman. Ano ang laman niya? Tchan-tcharan! Tchan-tcharan-tcharan! Diba? Push button na ngayon ang mga box ng branded na things. Alright. Let's go. Have it. Woo! Tchan-tcharan! Peekaboo! Nice and sweet. Yay! Little handbag is nice for dinner. Tapos mayroon pa siyang blinky-blinky. O, diba? Ang mahal din ng blinky-blinky na yan, guys, $580. Yan lang. Ang liit. Tingnan mo, $580. Yan lang. Ang linggit-linggit niya. Diba? Masyado naman siyang mahal. Pero okay lang. May puso. May puso. O, puso. Kasi isa lang ang puso ko, pero marami akong puso. Ang feeling ko, dami kong puso. Ayan. Yan. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone, sa lahat ng nagbigay ng present. Galing sa inyong kabutihan at galing sa inyong ikabuturan. Kano yun pala? Kailaliman ng puso. Kaibuturan ng puso. Alright. Thank you so much. At thank you sa pagmamahal nyo. May regalo o wala, hindi pa rin magbabago ang pagmamahal ko sa inyo. At syempre, pag Christmas, mas maraming regalo kayong matatanggap at marami din akong natatanggap na regalo.